Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigal. In this session we learn the how to rename in existing file in file management in C language. So let us start. First I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open. So alter a file menu and take new file, and here write a program to rename existing file. Yes, existing file name. Yes, so we can rename. So yes, that is syntax first I can write. So that is one integer and that is rename, and we can pass two arguments, so constant character, and that is okay, so that old file name, and then second constant character pointer, that is, and we can say that new file name. Yes, that is two argument. So and also we can use p error that display the system error message, so that I already write the syntax in my previous video lecture, but I also write here. So p error, that is a function, and also we can pass constant character uh, pointer array. So that is a give the system error message if any error. So let us I give the multi comment line for these two function we can see this session. So that p error is revised because we have already seen the remove that to my previous video lecture. I take already p error and remove the one file from hard disk. So yes, I can start now coding. So here our header file, standard input output, and conio console input output, and then void main, and yes, so that, and opening closing brace, and we can character first we can take old name of the file name, so that 20 size, and that other, you can say that new nm. New is a keyword in C++, but here give the nm. So that is a two character 1D array we have to take, and now we can first scan. So yes, here enter the old file name, and we can get s, that is function. So yes, you have to know very well old nm, and then I copy and paste to new file name. So all to new, I give the message new file name, and here I remove the new means get s, and now we can start. So if condition, so that is a rename. So we can that is a return data type is integer. So that let us take, so rename, and we can equal to 0. So that is a rename. So first we can pass the old nm, and that we can pass the new nm, new name. And if that is renamed, so we can print both file. So yes, here we can give the message. So first we can take old file name and percentage s, yes s, and new file name, and that is also percentage s. We can print both. So we can say that old nm and that new nm name. And if not that is renamed, so that is a not means assigned to equal to 0, so non-zero value. So that is a, we can use the p error function, so that give the system. So here we can give our messages also. So we can say that uh, file name is not changed, yes, that type of message. And here we can provide the get ch, yes, that finish, I think so perfectly. So I can save this file. F2 I press function key F2, so that is a shortcut key of saving the file. And here we can rename. So rename underscore file. So yes, maximum 8 character. So REN, yes, that is 8 underscore is, so that is 8 character REN, rename the file name. So yes, first we can check, yes, any error. Yes, there is no any error. But first we can hold the file name. So we can also create or use in our existing previously created in file management. So that is a concept in the file management in C language. So first I just here in previous video I cannot create, but I create now one file in Notepad for testing. So I can give, let us check. So like here I directly write we are students and that save that file in Notepad. So I can save, that is save here is there, and we can save in the default in C drive and turbo C++, then disk folder, and then turbo C3, and then bin folder. So that is a default path. So here you can look, so many files there, and that is a abcd year one file. In my previous video lecture I already deleted, and first file is also I can delete it. So second file is there, but first file is gone, so means that I can delete in previous my video lecture. So now I can give this file name, and that not exist we can give like here I can give the first.txt because that I can already delete it. So first.txt, and I can save, yes, and that we can remove this notepad, means close, and now I open editor, and let us I give that first to and first new first, that type of, let us I run. So old file name, so first.txt, and then enter. So and first.txt, that is a rename, and means new, or you can give any name. So let us check, yes, here old file name first.txt and new file name is n.txt. So that is a change, yes. And let us check, we can again in that drive. So yes, I can open in notepad, so you can understand. So I can just here notepad is selected and open. So open existing. So let us check. So n, yes, here I press n. So and first, yes, look here. So I can place, yes, we are students. So that is our first to and first. So that is a rename. And if we give the not existing file name, so let us take, we can give any name that not exist in hard disk. So like I give the xyz.txt, that is not any existing file, and I give the like uh, and xyz.txt. So xyz is itself not is exist in the our drive hard disk. So you can look, the file name is not changed. No such file or directory exists. That is a system message. So yes, here very simple. So yes, write this program to your C notebook if prepare, very simple, interesting, and here we can see the two function rename and error. So yes, that is a file management, and we can rename to existing file name. So now I can close. So write this program to your C notebook if you prepare. So very simple concept, and I think you have to understand. Here I can also write the syntax. So old file name to new file name just. And if any error, so that is a file name not exist, and no such file or directory because XYZ is not existing. So that is not fine. And we can give, I again run, and we can give the like again I can first give the n first.txt, that is exist, we can recently change, and now I can give the as previously that name first.txt. So look, so old file name is n first.txt and new file name is just first, so we can change to our old name. So that is a possible. So I think you have to understand. So now I can alter F3, close this file. Yes, any no, I think any question. So if any question regarding this or any previously my video lecture in file management or any concept in C language or any other language, so you can write in comment section. I can give the definitely to answer you. So I close and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Vidyal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.